Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Google Play balance and the exact currency, because that matters. Once done, open your Amazon account and list the payment methods you have. Make sure a credit card or bank account is available to use. Then check both accounts' country settings and any regional restrictions, since Play balance cannot move cross-country. These steps prevent surprises and let you plan how to free up spendable funds for Amazon purchases. You cannot transfer Play balance directly to Amazon, so instead use it to cover recurring charges and one-time digital purchases on Google Play. Once you pay subscriptions and apps from Play balance, make sure billing for those services is set to Play as the primary method. Next, use the credit card or bank account you saved from those payments to buy Amazon items or an Amazon gift card. This indirect approach converts the effective spend. Now use the payment method you freed up to buy what you need on Amazon or to purchase an Amazon gift card, then redeem it to your account. Once purchased, verify the order summary and keep the receipts. They prove your payment path. If anything fails, for example regional mismatch or a decline charge, pause, capture screenshots, and contact Google Play or Amazon support. That troubleshooting step resolves holds without risking account sanctions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.